14 mistakes that people with fatty liver disease must avoid. Did you know that fatty liver disease, also known as hepatic steatosis, is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide? Often asymptomatic in its early stages, fatty liver can progress to serious issues like cirrhosis and liver cancer if not properly managed. According to experts, many individuals with this condition make mistakes that further worsen liver health without even realizing it. What are the 14 most common mistakes people with fatty liver disease make? And how can we avoid them to ensure a healthier liver and prevent severe complications? In this video, we will explore these mistakes in detail, offering practical tips and valuable advice to help you take better care of your liver. Stay with us until the end to discover how you can improve your liver health and adopt habits that truly make a difference in the treatment and prevention of fatty liver disease. 14 mistakes that people with fatty liver disease must avoid. Mistake 1. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption is one of the main causes of fatty liver disease, as alcohol is metabolized in the liver, causing inflammation and fat accumulation. Reducing or eliminating alcohol is essential for those with this condition. Opt for healthy beverages such as sparkling water with lemon or herbal teas, which aid in hydration and liver function. Replacing alcohol can be challenging, but mocktails and herbal teas like chamomile are great alternatives. Mocktails combine fresh fruits and herbs, while chamomile tea offers calming properties and stress reduction. Mistake 2. A diet high in saturated fats. Diets high in saturated fats, found in fried foods, fatty meats, and full-fat dairy products, can worsen liver problems. Prefer healthy fats such as olive oil, avocado, and nuts, which reduce liver fat and improve cardiovascular health. Including omega-3 rich fish like salmon and sardines also benefits the liver. When cooking, choose methods like baking, grilling, or steaming to avoid extra fats. Avoid fried and processed foods with trans fats. Add more vegetables to meals to increase fiber intake, improving digestive and liver health. Mistake 3. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity contributes to fatty liver disease. Regular exercise burns fat and improves liver function. Incorporate 150 minutes of moderate activity per week, such as walking or swimming, and resistance exercises like weightlifting. Yoga or Pilates classes can improve flexibility and strengthen muscles. Choose activities you enjoy, such as dancing, cycling, or gardening, to stay motivated. Find ways to be active daily, like using stairs, walking during work breaks, or stretching while watching TV. Small changes promote better liver health. Mistake 4. Excessive sugar and refined carbohydrate intake. Foods high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, like white bread, sweets, and sodas, can increase liver fat. Prefer complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These foods digest more slowly and help maintain stable glucose levels. Additionally, replacing sugary sweets and desserts with fresh or dried fruits can satisfy your sweet tooth more healthily. When planning your meals and snacks, read food labels to identify added sugars and hidden refined carbohydrates. Many products, like salad dressings and flavored yogurts, contain added sugars that can be avoided. Try preparing your meals and snacks at home, where you can control the ingredients and ensure you are consuming nutritious and liver-friendly foods. Mistake 5. Not following a healthy diet plan. Many people do not follow an appropriate diet plan, leading to fat accumulation in the liver. It is important to have a balanced diet that includes lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats. Work with a nutritionist to develop a meal plan that meets your specific needs. Additionally, keeping a food diary can help monitor your intake and ensure you are following your diet plan. To make it easier to adhere to a healthy diet plan, plan your meals in advance and shop strategically. Always have healthy foods on hand and avoid keeping foods at home that you know are harmful to your liver. Also, try different recipes and preparation methods to make healthy eating more interesting and flavorful. Mistake 6. Ignoring medical follow-ups. Neglecting medical appointments and regular checkups can worsen liver condition. Regular consultations are essential for monitoring liver health and adjusting treatment as necessary. Your doctor may recommend blood tests, ultrasounds, and other evaluations to track disease progression. Additionally, discussing any new symptoms or health changes with your doctor can help identify problems early. During your medical consultations, do not hesitate to ask questions and express any concerns you may have. Maintaining open communication with your doctor is crucial for effectively managing fatty liver disease. Additionally, follow medical recommendations and guidelines consistently and be alert to any changes in your health. Mistake 7. Not controlling weight. Excess weight is a significant risk factor for fatty liver disease. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial to reducing liver fat. Adopt a balanced diet and exercise regularly to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Small changes, like reducing portion sizes and avoiding processed foods, can make a big difference. Additionally, joining a weight loss support group can provide motivation and additional guidance. To help control your weight, monitor your daily calorie intake and make adjustments as needed. Tools like food tracking apps can be useful for recording what you eat and drink and providing detailed nutritional information. Remember that sustainable weight loss is a gradual process and requires patience and consistency. Mistake 8. Unmanaged stress. Stress can harm liver health. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing to manage stress. Engage in activities you enjoy, like hobbies, reading, or nature walks, to maintain emotional balance. Talking to a therapist can provide additional strategies. Create a quiet space at home for relaxation practice and set regular times for these activities. Identify and address sources of stress to reduce your overall burden. Mistake 9. Lack of adequate hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for the liver. Drink water regularly and avoid sugary or caffeinated beverages. Water helps eliminate toxins and supports liver function. Add slices of fruits or herbs for flavor if you have difficulty drinking enough water. Use an app to monitor your water intake and set daily goals. Include water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumber, and orange in your diet and avoid dehydrating beverages like coffee and alcohol. Mistake 10. Indiscriminate use of medications. Taking medications without medical guidance can overload and worsen the liver. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting new medications or supplements. Some medications can have adverse effects on the liver, so follow medical recommendations. Avoid self-medication and seek medical guidance for new treatments. Keep an updated list of medications and supplements to avoid dangerous interactions. Know the signs of liver problems, such as fatigue, nausea, and jaundice, and seek immediate medical attention if they occur. Mistake 11. Not treating other health conditions. Diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol can worsen fatty liver disease. Treating these conditions is crucial for liver health. Work with your doctor to manage these conditions integratively, including diet, exercise, and medication. Maintain a healthy lifestyle to prevent new diseases. Get regular medical checkups and monitor your glucose, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. Adopt a balanced diet and exercise regularly to improve overall health and reduce risks. Mistake 12. Excessive consumption of processed foods. Processed foods contain additives, preservatives, sugar, and fat, harming the liver. Prefer fresh and minimally processed foods, cooking at home to better control ingredients. Preparing meals in batches and freezing them makes it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Read labels, choose products with few ingredients and without additives. Make homemade versions of ready-made dishes and invest in appliances like a pressure cooker and air fryer to facilitate preparation. Mistake 13. Lack of adequate sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for overall and liver health. Lack of sleep increases stress and inflammation, harming the liver. Maintain a regular sleep routine, avoid screens before bed, and practice relaxation techniques. Consider using sleep masks and earplugs. Establish consistent sleep schedules, create a comfortable environment, and avoid heavy meals and caffeine before bed to improve sleep quality. Mistake 14. Ignoring warning signs. Symptoms like fatigue, abdominal pain, and jaundice, yellowing of the skin and eyes, can indicate serious liver problems. Seek immediate medical attention when noticing these signs. Diagnosing and treating liver problems early prevents severe complications. Keep a record of symptoms and discuss them with your doctor to identify causes. Stay alert to health changes and seek help if necessary. Prevention and early treatment are essential for liver health. Practical tips to improve liver health. Adopt a balanced diet. A balanced diet is fundamental for liver health. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, avoiding processed and high-sugar foods. Try new healthy recipes and plan meals in advance. Consume small meals throughout the day to maintain energy and avoid overloading the liver. Diversify with different fruits and vegetables, choosing a variety of colors, and prepare foods in batches to make it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity reduces liver fat and improves overall health. Choose an activity you enjoy and incorporate it into your daily routine. Include aerobic and resistance exercises, and consult your doctor before starting new exercises. Walking and cycling offer additional benefits with natural light and fresh air. Set realistic goals, track progress, and join group classes or find a workout partner to stay motivated. Control stress. Managing stress is crucial for liver health. Practice meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to reduce stress and improve emotional well-being. Engage in relaxing activities like hobbies, reading, or nature walks. Maintain a positive mindset and practice gratitude. Joining support groups or workshops can provide additional strategies. Create a quiet space at home for relaxation techniques and set regular times for self-care, addressing sources of stress. Maintain adequate hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for liver health. Drink water regularly and avoid sugary or high-caffeine beverages. Water helps eliminate toxins and supports liver function. Add fruit slices or herbs to water for flavor. Monitor your water intake with an app. Set daily goals and keep a water bottle nearby. Include water-rich foods like watermelon and cucumber, and avoid dehydrating beverages like coffee and alcohol. Monitor your health regularly. Regular doctor visits are essential for monitoring liver health and adjusting treatments. Conduct recommended blood tests and evaluations. Maintain an open and honest relationship with your doctor to manage fatty liver disease and prevent complications. Discuss new symptoms or health changes. Ask questions and express concerns during consultations. Follow medical recommendations consistently and stay alert to health changes. Avoid indiscriminate use of medications. Taking medications without medical guidance can overload the liver. Always consult a professional before starting new medications or supplements. Avoid self-medication and inform your doctor about all treatments used. Keep an updated list of medications and share it to avoid dangerous interactions. Be alert to signs of liver problems like fatigue, nausea, and yellowing of the skin, and seek immediate medical attention if they occur. 6 foods good for liver health. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that protect the liver from damage. Add it to salads, smoothies, or as a side dish to enjoy its benefits. Avocado reduces inflammation, improves liver function, and promotes digestive health due to its high fiber content. The monounsaturated fats in avocado lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL, benefiting the liver and cardiovascular health. Rich in potassium, avocado helps with electrolyte balance. Add it to sandwiches, wraps, and desserts for an extra dose of nutrients. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, proteins, and antioxidants, helping to reduce inflammation and improve liver health. Include them in snacks, salads, and main dishes. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for cardiovascular health and liver protection. Other nuts like almonds and hazelnuts are also nutritious and benefit liver health, providing vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects liver cells. Vary your nut consumption to get a full range of nutrients. Turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect the liver and improve its function. Add turmeric to soups, curries, and smoothies to enjoy its benefits. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its protective effects on the liver, and its absorption is increased when combined with black pepper. Prepare golden milk with turmeric, coconut milk, and spices for a concentrated dose of benefits. Use turmeric in marinades, sauces, and seasonings for a tasty and healthy touch. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, especially catechins, which protect the liver from damage, improve liver function, and reduce liver fat. It also improves metabolism and supports weight loss, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Choose high-quality tea leaves and avoid artificial sweeteners. Try varieties like matcha or sencha and use green tea in recipes like smoothies and desserts for an antioxidant boost. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes and improve liver detoxification, as well as having anti-inflammatory properties that reduce the risk of liver disease. It also improves cardiovascular health by regulating blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Add garlic to marinades, sauces, soups, or roast it to use as a side dish or on whole grain toast. Incorporating fresh garlic into daily meals benefits the liver and heart. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fibers, protecting the liver and improving overall health. Include them in snacks, salads, and smoothies. Their antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, as well as improving cognitive function and heart health. Prepare fruit salads, add them to yogurts and whole grain cereals, and use them in healthy desserts. Freeze berries to have them available year-round. 6 foods bad for liver health. Sugary drinks. Sodas and industrialized juices are rich in sugar, increasing liver fat and the risk of metabolic diseases like type 2 diabetes. Replace them with water, unsweetened teas, or sparkling water with lemon. Sugary drinks contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance. Prepare water infusions with fresh fruits, herbs, and spices for sugar-free hydration. Make natural juices at home, controlling added sugar. Fried foods. Fried foods are rich in saturated and trans fats, harming the liver and increasing the risk of obesity and cardiovascular diseases. Prefer baked, grilled, or cooked foods to reduce unhealthy fat intake and avoid toxic substances formed in frying. Use herbs and spices for flavor without additional fat. Invest in an air fryer to prepare crispy foods with less oil. Processed meats. Processed meats like sausages and bacon are rich in saturated fats and sodium, increasing inflammation and liver fat. Prefer lean, fresh meats like chicken and fish, and avoid harmful preservatives and additives. Frequent consumption of processed meats is linked to a higher risk of colorectal cancer and chronic diseases. Replace with fresh, home-seasoned meats, controlling ingredients. Incorporate plant-based proteins like legumes and tofu for a varied and nutritious diet. Sugary foods. Sugary foods and cakes increase liver fat, insulin resistance, and the risk of liver diseases. Prefer fresh fruits or low-sugar desserts. Excess sugar contributes to weight gain and inflammation due to empty calories. Prepare homemade desserts with less sugar and natural ingredients, using fruits, honey, or natural sweeteners. Opt for fiber-rich desserts like baked fruits or smoothies to control blood sugar and promote digestive health. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates like white bread and pasta have a high glycemic index and increase blood glucose levels, contributing to weight gain and inflammation. Prefer whole carbohydrates like whole grain bread and rice to maintain stable glucose levels and improve digestive health. When shopping, choose products with whole grains as the first ingredient. Use whole grain flours and grains in recipes, and include vegetables and legumes for complex carbohydrates and fibers. Processed foods. Processed foods contain additives, preservatives, sugar, and fat, worsening fatty liver disease. Prefer fresh and minimally processed foods. Cooking at home with fresh ingredients improves control over diet, benefiting liver health. Prepare meals in batches and freeze them. Read labels and choose products with few ingredients and without artificial additives. Kitchen tools like an electric pressure cooker and air fryer make it easier to prepare healthy meals. Did you enjoy the tips? Then, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. This helps us continue to bring quality content to you. Share this content with friends and family who can also benefit from this information. Taking care of your health is an act of self-love. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.